Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to create an eye-catching performance mood meter in Excel. A creative gauge chart that changes from sad to happy emojis based on your score. It's a fun and visual way to track performance, progress, or even motivation levels in real time. Stay with me till the end to see how easily you can set it up and customize it for your own projects. Before we start, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart Excel tutorials like this. Let's get started. As you can see, we already have the data prepared with columns like status, emoji, score percentage, and range. Along with that, we also have a separate set of data for the chart segments and the pointer value. We'll use this setup to link performance levels with emojis and show live pointer movement on the gauge chart. For the first segment, type the value 1. Then drag it downward to fill the same number for all remaining segments. For the last segment, enter value as 10. This represents the lower half of the chart. So, in total, we have 10 equal sections and one big section forming the lower half of the chart. Next, for the pointer data. Select the cell next to the score. Set its reference to cell J2, where we'll input the score value. For the needle, type 1. For the remainder, enter the formula equals 200 minus score value minus needle value, and hit enter. The total should now be 200. When you change the score in cell J2, you'll notice the pointer value updates automatically, while the total stays constant at 200. Now, select the chart segment data along with the values. Navigate to the Insert tab. Go to Charts and select a donut chart. Once the chart appears, go to the Chart Design tab. Choose Change Colors and select the 10 green gradient from light to dark. Remove the legends and the chart title for a cleaner look. Next, double-click on the segment inside the donut chart. On the right side, under the Format Data Series pane, adjust the angle of the first slice to 270 degrees. This will position the lower half of the chart perfectly toward the bottom. Click on this lower half section to separate it. Then go to the Fill option and select No Fill. Adjust the chart slightly to make it visible. We will make additional adjustments as we progress through the tutorial. Next, select the entire data sheet by clicking the corner. Open the cell styles. Right-click on the normal style and choose Modify. In the Format dialog, select the Fill option and set the background color to a green lighter 80%. Then expand the Pattern Color drop-down and choose the dark green lighter 80%. Click OK twice to apply these changes. For the chart itself, right-click, choose Fill, and select No Fill. Then go to Outline and choose No Outline. Click inside the donut chart to select the segments. Then click again on the bottom segment to isolate it. On the right, under Format Data Series, go to Borders and select No Line for the lower segment. Click on the chart segments again. Right-click and choose Add Data Labels. Select the data labels, and in the Format Data Labels pane, click on Label Options and choose Value from Cells. Select the data range containing the emojis and click OK. Uncheck the Value option and close the pane. Make final adjustments by increasing the emoji size to 20 and slightly enlarging the overall chart for better visibility. Now, the donut chart is ready with emojis displayed correctly. Navigate to the pointer data. Select the range including score, needle, and remainder. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Then click on the outer edge of the existing donut chart and press Ctrl+V to paste it. You will now see an additional donut chart with 3 segments. Right-click on this newly added donut chart. Choose Change Series Chart Type. And from the combo options, select the second series, and from the drop-down, change its chart type to pie. And check the secondary axis option. Click OK to apply. Double-click the first section of the pie chart to isolate it. Right-click and set the fill to No Fill. Repeat this process for other segment, so only the needle remains visible. Click outside the chart. Then select the pie chart again. On the right side, under Format Data Series, go to Fill and under Borders, select No Line. Next, you can see the score is currently set at 30%, but the needle may not yet align correctly. To fix this, select the pie chart. And in Format Data Series, adjust the angle of the first slice to 270 degrees. This will align the needle precisely with the corresponding score. Changing the score will now move the needle smoothly and accurately. Next, select the cell where you want to display the status. In the formula bar, enter this formula to reflect the status based on the score in cell J2. For example, if the score is less than or equal to 10, it will display very poor. Less than or equal to 20 will display poor. And so on, up to exceptional, along with related emojis. Hit Enter. Now changing the score in J2 will automatically update the status. Now, select cell J2, center align, and middle align the text. Increase the font size to 20. Make it bold. And adjust the cell width so the text fits properly. Then, go to the Insert tab. Choose a rounded rectangle shape. Draw it on the dashboard. And input the text as Enter Your Score with an emoji. Go to Home tab. And center align and middle align the text. Increase the font size to 20. Make it bold. Make fine adjustments to ensure proper alignment with the chart. For the score cell, add a thick outside border. Select the shape and go to Shape Format. And under Theme Styles, choose Gradient Fill with dark green style. Copy the shape and paste it outside chart area. Then place it below the needle, ensuring it is aligned. Then under Shape Format, change the shape to a flowchart terminator for a unique appearance. With the shape selected, link it to the status cell by typing equals and selecting the status cell in the formula bar. Keep shape selected. Then under Home tab, set the font color to white and font size to 20. Adjust the shape size to ensure proper alignment under the needle for a professional look. Select Chart and Status Shape. Right-click and choose Group to group them together. This allows the chart and status indicator to move together. Make any final adjustments as needed. Finally, select the data range containing chart segments and pointer data. And set the font color to the same light green used for the background to hide it. Now the performance mood indicator is complete. Watch it in action, and you will see the needle move according to the score, with the status updating automatically. This is how you create a professional and visually engaging gauge chart in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. See you in the next tutorial.